Alright, I'm gonna say
Yeah.
J5.
Wow. Okay.
I miss.
Damn.
Why you skip morning routine?
No, she did. She did. She did. Yeah, she did.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go.
Alright, your turn, Mister.
Sorry, I missed that.
We're playing the seatbelt guys again.
A5.
Miss.
Oh.
I knew it. Alright, I'm gonna say E2.
I miss.
Again, I'm doing random. Remember that.
Oh yeah.
I'm doing random attacks for that.
Make a tacker. Make snacker.
Alright, your turn.
Formula 6.
Miss.
Oh yeah.
Don't say it out, but yeah. Alright. I'm going with A3.
I miss.
A3 is a miss. Okay. A3 is a miss.
C9. Makes
That's a miss. I'm gonna say E5.
I miss.
Damn, E5 is miss.
Oh yeah.
Your turn.
J4.
J4.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a hit! No! Oh, yeah. What? That's a hit! No!
Oh yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Oh yeah.
Your turn.
V7.
B7?
Yeah.
That's a miss.
You okay?
Dang you.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say, oh my gosh. G9.
I miss.
Oh, dang it.
We need to waiting more time. If you guys want to drink some tea,
I'm
you
good.
can drink.
Yeah.
I got coffee. So.
No.
Good.
Yeah.
Your turn.
William, do you
Ah.
want some tea? No?
Your turn, mister.
I'm bluff for you, mate.
Oh, Tony's here. Wow, you're early today.
Wow, Mr. Early guy.
Mr. McEarly Tony here.
Yeah.
Mr. McEarly Tony Hot guy here.
Oh yeah. C3.
C3. Oh, that's a hit. What the hell, Danny? What? Hey, yo, no. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh yeah.
Alright, your turn, you son of a bastard.
Oh yeah, G4s.
G5. That's a hit again. What the hell? You son of a bastard. No, this can't be happening.
Yeah.
Wait. This has gone too wrong.
A6.
Are you kidding? That's a hit again. What? How?
Again?
How? How? No, you can't. No.
Oh yeah.
No, you son of a dog.
Oh yeah.
No, you son of a dog.
Hey Jay.
That's a miss.
Oh.
Ah, you son of a dog. You son of a dog.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say A8.
Which one?
A8.
That's a hit.
A8.
Yeah.
Apple 8.
Apple 8.
Apple 8.
Oh no.
Yeah. I would say K9.
I miss.
Dang it! Only got one here and you. Oh, you can't find the last one still.
Oh no.
It can be anywhere. There's a lot of gaps.
Yeah.
You forgot there's a lot of gaps.
G2. Hey Jacker.
G2?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. G2, miss.
Oh. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna say.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna say
Oh my god.
K2.
Oh, miss.
Dang you. Oh, dang you. You said, oh, and then, oh, dang you. You sneaky duck.
Yeah.
He might win his 6th time. Only 6. Your turn.
E2.
Miss. E2 miss. Alright, I'm gonna find you. Alright, I'm gonna say J6.
J6. That's a hit.
Yes, I knew it. What? Oh yeah, the comeback boy. The comeback boy's here.
Oh no.
It'll say G3.
I miss.
G3's miss? Oh dang it.
Yeah.
Aw. Where could your shits? Where could your bloody shits be?
Out of nowhere. Yeah. D8.
Hmm?
Oh, D8.
D8?
Yeah.
Miss. Daniel 8.
Daniel.
Oh, Danny 8.
Yeah.
Alright, my turn. I'm gonna say D7.
I miss.
D7 miss. Oh my god, I think Danny knows. He knows he got. Yeah, because he got four hits and then he knows it's different.
Yeah.
And he has to find that one loud shit. It could be anywhere, really.
It could be up his face. It could be up
I'll
his...
give that in a second, you know? I am ready.
Oh, it's 7.
I7?
Yeah.
That's a miss. I7 miss. Alright, I'm gonna say E3.
Oh, miss.
Don't say oh every time. I don't in a second. No. E3 miss, okay. I really wanna get this son of a duck guy back. Huh? Your turn.
A2.
Miss.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna say G4.
I miss.
G4's a miss? Oh my goodness gracious me! Dang. Your turn.
K9.
K9?
Yeah.
Miss. Alright. I'm just gonna say C4.
I miss.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Dang it! Where could your other 3 ships be? Dang it! Your turn.
I'm like struggling guy here.
Okay, got it. Not finished yet?
No.
When are you gonna finish?
I2.
Miss.
You're not gonna go? Okay.
Miss.
Yeah.
Not yet, Daniel.
Not yet?
Alright, Danny.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, Danny.
Yeah.
How long?
Depends on who wins. D4.
I miss.
Oh my gosh, you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. My bag is over there, so.
D6.
D6?
Yeah.
Miss.
Dang.
Oh, we gotta be quick, Danny. Let's go.
Oh, dang.
Alright, let's go. Alright, F6.
I miss.
What? What? Your turn.
F9.
Miss. Alright, we're gonna be very, very quick. Alright, and I'm gonna say G1.
I miss.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. What? Oh my gosh. Alright, your turn.
K6.
K6 miss.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. We're playing as really quick as we can, guys.
Yeah.
Because I have to go, guys, yeah.
Alright, F1, Formula 1.
I miss.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, that's half an hour. Oh, okay, then that's. Then we can leave it. Oh, yeah.
B3.
B3. Alright, B3. Okay, miss. Alright. I'm gonna find your first ship. C1.
I miss.
What? 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 Okay, this is weird. Alright, your turn.
H4.
Miss.
Oh.
Miss. Alright. Oh my gosh. E9.
I miss.
What? Oh no, I think I'm gonna be missing a lot of white pegs.
Yeah.
Your turn.
K1.
Miss. Alright, K1 miss. Alright. And then okay, it's gotta be B2.
I miss.
What? You serious?
Yeah.
What the flipping heck? Oh, your turn.
He's E4.
Hmm?
E4.
Miss. Okay, I gotta be so quick. Alright, I'm gonna say F5.
I miss.
What? 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 You kidding me?
A9.
Miss.
You know how to, right?
Alright, and I'm gonna say G8.
I miss.
Oh, dang it. Oh, dang you.
F7.
F7, miss. Miss. Okay.
Mr. White Pigs.
Mr. Okay. H2O. H2.
I hit.
Finally! H2 is in.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Alright, and then E7.
E7. I miss.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. Okay. Oh, I hear. Oh, miss. Let's go. Dang it. Dang it. Alright, one last turn.
Yeah.
Alright, your turn.
Oh, what could your last one be? J8.
No, that's a hit! No, guys! Alright, guys, we'll be right back in 4 hours. This son of a duck might win.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, guys, we'll be right back in 4 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Don't look at. Oh.
Oh, my one dropped. Oh, what?
Alright, let's go. Alright, Miss Ben.
Yeah,
Let out. We're back, guys,
I'm
from 4 hours ago, and it's still Danny's turn again.
Yeah. I'm back from the...
Did you say something?
Ah, I said V5.
B5?
Yeah, V5. Oh, banana 6.
No, you said B5. Yeah, that's a miss. What? What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. Are you trolling me?
Yeah.
Dang, you're freaking trolling me, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's not good. B3.
I hit.
Finally!
Oh, no.
You gotta do something.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. And I'm gonna say F8.
I miss.
I'm running out of white pegs.
You want some more?
Yeah, if you give me some, yeah.
Oh, I have a lot of white pigs.
Yeah, just give me one more hand.
How much do you need?
Probably half. Just under half.
Under half.
As you can fit enough.
How much do you need?
Whoa!
Whoa,
Alright, that should be enough. Thanks, Annie.
Oh, yeah, it's my turn.
Where's your last ship?
J5.
K5. That's a miss! What? What? Alright.
J5's miss.
Yeah.
J5.
Alright, I'm gonna say F7.
I miss.
What? 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 What?
Oh, yeah.
What the hell do you miss it? It's so hot now.
Yeah.
Your turn.
F8.
F8? That's a miss. Wait, what? What? I don't get what you're doing.
I'm trying to find your last ship.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay, yeah, sure. Go ahead. Yeah, okay. My turn.
Oh, why this in your nuts?
Look at trolling me.
Yeah.
D6.
I miss.
What? These nuts miss? Just kidding. D6. D6 is a miss.
Yeah.
These nuts. I'm just kidding, guys. Your turn.
tomorrow, no cafe, ready?
J4.
J. Huh?
J4.
You already said J4.
Oh, did I? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you did.
Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah. J3.
Oh, that's a hit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby.
No.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, no.
J2.
You got my first submarine.
Wow.
Dang it. Dang it!
Oh yeah.
What could it be? Where? Where the hell is it?
K8.
Hmm?
Oh, K8.
K8. Miss.
Oh, oh no.
Yes, I think. You mean William? You mean William? Oh, I hate that one. Alright, where the bloody hell is your ship? H9.
Oh, hit.
Finally! It's on, Danny.
I should have.
B8.
That's a hit.
B8's a hit. I knew it. And then C8.
That's a hit.
And then D8.
Because of destroyed.
I gotcha. You're never gonna beat me.
You crazy man.
I'm gonna say B4.
V4. That's a miss.
What? Oh no! I just realized this is gonna be a crazy intense game. I mean, this is gonna be intense.
I'm gonna keep you here forever.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're not, son, sucker.
V6.
Is B6?
Yeah.
That's a miss!
What?
It's a miss! Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, and then I9.
That's a scout destroyed.
Oh, that was a scout! Oh, what? I didn't know that was a scout. Okay, nice. And I'm gonna say I6.
Whoa.
That's a hit.
And then H6.
A hit.
Wait, hold on. What is it? And then G6?
That's a hit.
Oh, Johnny.
Oh no.
And K6.
Battleship destroyed.
Ah, yeah, boy.
Oh no.
Oh, you're screwed, Johnny. You're screwed. C3.
A hit.
And then D3.
That's a submarine destroyed. What?
Yeah, I made a comeback, baby.
This guy's eating. This guy's insane.
I would say I2.
That's a hit.
And final hit. Sayonara, Danny. Bye bye.
Oh, no.
So goodbye. G2.
Submarine destroyed.
Yes, let's go. What a comeback.
Oh, this insane guy came back.
The insane guy made a comeback.
What?
We're missing Danny. Except the first part. I won. Yeah. Yeah. And I think I'm pretty sure you realize the scam by now.
Yeah.
I won.
Oh no.
Look at this guy. Look at
guy
this
is
guy.
too.
Look at this guy.
What is this bloody game?
It's this bloody game. Alright, Danny, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm gonna count from 3. Oh yeah, I definitely got him. And you know that's my shit over there, right? Tell you.
Lucky, what are you going here?
Oh, we swapped. I swapped Danny's one because I already got the Minecraft fries one.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna count from 3. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Yes. Hold on. Look down for a second. Look, yeah, Danny. It's fine on me. I'm just too excited. It's too funny. Look at this guy. I can't believe you missed the scout and the rest. Look at this guy. You never thought I would go that way, mister. You were so close. Yes. You never tried so hard.
You son of a jack.
Oh, well, Mr. Fan. Looks like you lost once again. And I'm the winner chicken dinner of McSmartypants. Oh, that's a perfect name. And he's the McSee of McShame Buster guy here. Anyway, guys, that was the most intense round I've ever seen in my whole life. So, guys, I will see you on this Sunday. No, this Thursday and Sunday. So, guys, I'll see you later. Peace, everybody. Hey, this has to back up. That's you.
Yeah. And this when the chicken dinner guy is always winning. He always keeps winning every time.
Yes.
And I can't even win.
Danny has it.
Outside.
You son of a jack.